So we're gonna make a Greek turkey burger. Is it a burger? Yeah, it's a burger. It's loaded with all your favorite ingredients from a Greek salad, but in burger form.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We've got to have condiments that work with this turkey burger. How about like a Greek-style yogurt sauce instead of ketchup? Greek yogurt here, the ketchup of the dish, if you will. Feta cheese, one of the oldest cheeses on the planet. Garlic powder here. We're gonna head over to the herb garden where we can get some fresh herbs. Growing an herb garden is a great way to get fresh flavors into whatever you're making because you pay for it once and it's alive. It keeps giving you free flavor. We got parsley, mint, dill. So fresh. We're gonna pick the mint leaves right off of our stem. Let's take our dill, we're just chop it up real fine. Get that garlicky dillness in our yogurt sauce. We've got our mint. I'm gonna take the biggest leaf, wrap the other guys into it, and then just salt, a little pepper. We're gonna mix it up. Oh, baby. I can already taste the Greek turkey burger. Let's make some quick pickled onions. We're gonna put the pan on high heat. Some white vinegar, water, some sugar in there. Vinegar and sugar are the flavors in ketchup, so making our own pickles here are giving us that sweet and sour vibe. With a little bit of salt. We'll mix it up. And basically, we just want to bring that to a boil so everything dissolves, but also so it's warm enough that it can penetrate into the center of our onions, which we're gonna cut right now. All right, we're gonna French the onions. Throw them in, and we're gonna pour the hot liquid over top. They're gonna become both sweet and sour at the same time and bleed even more red color. It looks so pretty. All right, I'm gonna let these chill while I cook my burgers. It ain't a burger without a patty, so let's make our patties. We've got a little bit of parsley and a little bit of our leftover mint here. Just chop that up real fine. Kalamata olives. It's totally gonna bring all kinds of brininess and a ton of flavor to the burgers. Texturally, it works well with meat. Let's get some scallion. Olives, scallion, mint, and parsley. So we've got a ton of flavor right here, brightness, absolute Greek essence. But we gotta have garlic. Greek is like garlic city. So, garlic cloves. I think the best way to deal with garlic is by grating it. It's faster, and it just lets this gorgeous flavor melt. Oregano, cumin, salt, and pepper. We've got ground turkey meat going in. It's not often I'm making a burger patty and it smells great before cooking, but that is the case right here. I mean, I can smell the brininess of the olives, the fresh herbs, and the spices. We've got a cast iron pan here. It's the perfect way to cook a burger. It's ripping and roaring once you put a flame under it, which is what we're gonna do right now. Can we stop here? Sure. Can we continue? Absolutely. Feta cheese. It's the Greekest cheese. It doesn't melt like burger cheese. So let's put it inside the burger. That way we get all the brininess and cheesiness without having to deal with crumbly cheese on a burger. So I want everything to be like all together. Is that the essence of burger? Handheld one bite, things aren't flying everywhere? Perhaps, perhaps. So we'll mix that feta right in. Let's cook some burgers. We're gonna put in some olive oil. So take some patty, make a ball, compress it, come around, give it some sidewall, look at the size of your buns, realizing that these are gonna shrink 19%. Put the patty away from you and continue. I can smell that feta cheese just mingling. I'm so tempted to just take a look, to rotate it, to mess with it, to touch it. Resist the urge, kids. Just say no to messing with it. At the very bottom of the patty, where the meat meets the cast iron, you can see a gorgeous dark Maillard reaction. You know what? These are ready to flip. So now we press down on the patties. Just kidding. That would squeeze all the juice out. No, don't press down. Can't even follow my own rules. Unbelievable. Our burgers are done, so let's pull them off, stick them on a plate, and let them rest. We've got to let them rest so that when we bite into them, it's juicy and fantastic. Let's make some burgers. We get our yogurt, feta, herb, and spice sauce, and we slam that right onto the bottom. Throw a patty right on top, fresh tomato, fresh cucumbers, red pickled onions. Oh, this looks super fantastic. It's so colorful and bright. It sure looks like a burger to me. But whatever you call it, at $2.68, it's a bargain. Here we go. Super full of flavor. I mean, the first thing that hits you is all this sharpness. You got it from the olives and the garlic and the feta. Really incredible. Then you got the meatiness to balance it out on top of all that cooling yogurt sauce that we made.